Let's hear it for President Josh Merchant.
Hello, and welcome to the 107th anniversary of Buenafication Day. So we'd like to just thank you all for showing up today and making your commitment to support not only BVU, but your home community as well. In its earliest form, actually, believe it or not, this day was called Hobo Day. And the standing tradition on Hobo Day was for students to spruce up campus and take care of the lawn and the buildings. Buenafication Day is an event that we look forward to every single year. It's one that our students, our faculty, and our community that we serve look forward to, and we're really happy to be here on this beautiful day. And whether you're on campus or at home or in other places afar, we're happy that you're joining us. It's exciting to see how it continues to grow, even though we are in this challenging COVID-19 pandemic time. Buenafication Day not only includes fun, but also time for us Beavers to live out our motto of education for service, which is so important to the university and to all of us. So we'd like to say thank you to all of you, to everyone for coming and to joining us today and making 107 years of Buenafication Day possible. And as per tradition, I'm going to ask everyone to stand up and join me in all aboard for the Beaver Train.